Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us see how to find hybridization of BeCl2 and also we will discuss how BeCl2 molecule is formed from hybrid orbitals. First, let us see what is hybridization. Hybridization is a process of intermixing of orbitals of slightly different energy so as to form orbitals of equivalent energy and same shape. To find hybridization, we have very simple formula Vc plus Tc by 2. Vc valence electrons of central atom, Tc total atoms attached to central atom. In BeCl2, beryllium chloride, beryllium is a central atom. So valence electrons of beryllium is 2. So 2 plus total atoms attached to beryllium 2. So 2 plus 2 by 2. We will get 4 by 2, that gives 2. If it is 4, sp3 hybridization, 3 sp2 hybridization, 2 sp hybridization. Since that we got 2 here, the hybridization in BeCl2 is sp hybridization. So hybridization is sp hybridization. Now let us draw that, write that electronic configuration of beryllium. Beryllium atomic number is 4. So that electronic configuration for beryllium, 1 is 2 is 2. Now let us draw that orbital diagram for valence electron. That means for 2s2. This we can show it like 2s. We have that 2 electrons. This is in the ground state. During the excited state, one of these electrons from 2s orbital will move to 2p orbital. So in that excited state, we have that empty 2p orbitals. So this one is 2s and this one is 2p. So here one electron and that this electron will move to 2p orbitals. So this is an excited state. During hybrid state, this one 2s orbital and one 2p orbital intermix and they form sp hybridization. So hybrid state, we have that sp hybridization, each one electron sp hybridization. So the hybridization in BeCl2 is sp hybridization. These half-filled sp hybrid orbitals will get that one electron from chlorine atom. So that chlorine, we have the 2 chlorine atoms attached to beryllium here. So each one receive one electron and form sigma bond. So in BeCl2, we have that sp hybridization, no lone pair electrons. Because of sp hybridization, the shape is linear and the bond angle is 180 degree. Now let us discuss that formation of BeCl2 molecule from hybrid orbitals. In BeCl2 molecule, hybridization is sp hybridization. So it is a linear structure. We go to draw a line first. And then here you can see one s orbital and another one pz orbital. So we got that sp hybridization. When s orbital and pz orbital, when they intermix, we are getting the hybrid orbital. In hybrid orbital, you can see one lobe is big and another lobe is small. So in BeCl2 molecule, we have that 2 hybrid orbital. So first we go to draw that one lobe is small and another lobe is bigger, 1. The same way we have the 2 hybrid orbitals. So one lobe is small and another lobe is bigger, 1. So this belongs to Be atom. These hybrid orbitals receive one electron from p orbital of chlorine atom. So for chlorine, we go to draw that p orbitals. This is for chlorine. Same way here also one p orbital of chlorine. So we have that this results in sigma bond formation, sigma covalent. So the angle is 180 degree. BCl2 molecule, the hybridization is sp hybridization. There is no lone pair electrons. The shape is linear and that bond angle is 180 degree. Thanks for watching.